Welcome to the world of the Internet of Things, or IoT. IoT refers to the network of physical devices, like cars, appliances, and more, connected to the Internet, collecting and sharing data. These devices communicate with each other, making our lives smarter and more efficient. Imagine your fridge ordering groceries when you're low on milk, or your thermostat adjusting itself based on your preferences. IoT is transforming various sectors. In smart homes, devices like smart speakers and lights enhance convenience and security. In smart cities, IoT improves traffic management, reduces energy consumption, and enhances public services. In industry, IoT enables predictive maintenance, improving efficiency and reducing downtime. How does it work? IoT devices collect data through sensors, send it to the cloud, where it's analyzed, and then actions are taken based on the insights gained. Security is crucial in IoT. Measures like encryption, authentication, and regular updates help protect your data and devices. IoT is revolutionizing our world, connecting everything and making our lives more efficient. Embrace the Internet of Things today. Ever wondered how the Internet of Things is changing our daily lives? Let's explore. Imagine waking up in a smart home. Your alarm goes off, the coffee maker starts brewing, and the lights gradually brighten, all thanks to IoT. On your way to work, traffic lights sync to reduce congestion, and parking spaces guide you to the nearest available spot, making your commute smoother. At work, smart sensors monitor the building's environment, adjusting temperature and lighting for maximum comfort and energy efficiency. In industries, IoT is revolutionizing operations. Machines equipped with sensors perform predictive maintenance, reducing downtime and increasing productivity. In healthcare, IoT devices monitor patients' vital signs in real time, enabling remote care and timely interventions, improving health outcomes. Even in agriculture, IoT helps monitor soil conditions, weather, and crop health, optimizing farming practices and increasing yields. From smart homes to smart cities, healthcare to agriculture, IoT is creating a connected world, improving efficiency, safety, and convenience. The Internet of Things is transforming our lives, making everyday tasks easier and more efficient. Discover the power of IoT today.